Hey all, welcome back. In our last video we have seen how we can extract a value from a barcode, and in our previous videos we have seen how we can extract the data from an image. That's we are done with the text scanner as well as barcode scanner. In this video we'll see how we can detect the images in a particular image. That's nothing but a label scanner. So again, it's a straightforward. What I'm doing, let me create one more function, one more functional. Let me create one more function over here, and I'll name it as a future labels read, and this is nothing but an async. This is an async and it's an async. So what I'll do, again same thing. So everywhere you need to create, you need to initialize the Firebase Vision image, and I'll name it as my image, and inside that I have to call Firebase Vision image dot from file and name it as a picked image. And after that I need to call a decoder, which is nothing as a image labeler is equals to Firebase Vision dot instance dot image labeler list labels is equals to await. I'll create a labeler dot process image, and I'll pass my image over here. So next I'll create a for loop, and inside for loop let me call image label, and I'll name it as a label in labels from the list. Here final, I'll just specify the string, and I'll create text. So this is what it extracts the current it will extract the text of a particular label. And next I'll create a final double, and which is a confidence, like how much confidence, like while predicting the particular label, so it will display the confidence level. So we'll see how much level of confidence it will detect to a particular image or the objects. So this is done. So let me print, so dollar text. So the first one will displays the text, and next I want to print the confidence level of this particular item. Confidence done. So let me extract something. So right now I'm printing over here, right? So go to the view and open your debug console. Let me clear the previous output and open and select any image which is having more objects. So right now forget about the previous one, so we have not cleared anything here, right? So let me clear this. Okay, right now, so we have cleared everything over here. So let me detect this. Sorry, I have called this, but I have created this functionality, but I haven't called here. So here I need to call. So what is the functionality I have created here? Labels read. So let me call labels read. Okay, I just done. I am done. Next, open your console, clear, and call this. If you see, you can see what are the items, like what are the objects that is there inside this image. It detected everything. So it is detected initially. First it is detected room with the confidence level is 0.96, which is really more. It's, we can say it's really more. And next chair, its confidence level is 0.9, and couch 0.85. It's a building 0.7 something. Love seat, desk, shelf, flower pot. See, machine learning is nothing but the confidence levels on predicting a particular image. So 96% it predicted is a room, and 92% it predicted is a chair, and 85% it predicted as couch. So like this, it depends on the image and its confidence level, it's predicted a particular image. This is how we can define the label scanner. So instead of that, so instead of printing in the console, so let me print here set state. So let me call a set state, and inside the set state let me write a result. So I want to add the previous result in the same thing, because we have everything, you want everything to be printed over here. So you want to give some space here, and as well as I want to print in each new line dollar text. Let me give some space, and again dollar confidence, and along with this I want to print /n. So why I have written the /n here? Because I want to print everything in a new line. Okay, I'm done. So let's, right now we are not printing anything in the console, instead we are printing inside a text. So let me run this. If you see the room 96%, it's predicted, chair, everything got predicted here with its confidence level. So let's take one more image and predict let me take this and run this. If you see, it's again, it's a room 96%, again it's a chair, it's shelf, wall 86% and 72%, and it's, you can see more than 50% it has recognized this image. And select some default images from the iOS. Default images from the iOS. Let me see. 96% it is predicted as a waterfall, 66% it predicted as a mountain, 66% or rock, 59% forest, 15% jungle, 62% river. So like that it predicted, and it showed how much percentage the confidence level. This is how you can predict an image. Like you can label an image using a MLKit SDK, using this image labeler. This is how you can done, and this is very straightforward and very easy, and you can understand how we can do this. In the next video we'll see how we can detect the faces onto your particular images.